What's up guys, my name is Jacob Henry and I am about to show you the 8 must-need accessories when you first get your Tacoma, so that way a year down the line it still looks like you just pulled off the lot. I had this Tacoma for 2 years and I don't ever want it to look like shit. So I found the 8 best accessories to keep it clean and organized, all at accessoriesfortacoma.com. And now I'll have the products listed below in the description for you to look at, or just head over to accessoriesfortacoma.com and you can find much more. But first, let's just get to the rest of the video and check it out. So the first accessory I gotta show you is this Tacoma phone case holder. So this is just made for Tacomas because if you can see right here, it's contoured just for the dash of a Tacoma. Also, another cool thing about this, it retracts. So that way you have easy access when you grab your phone, slide in, slide out. Another cool factor is if you don't like it like this, slide it like that. And there you go. So if you want this product, it's in the description below. Give me a comment down there if you have it. Let me know how you like it. So the next product we have next is something that we all struggle with. It's our center console. This is the thing we go to just to throw random shit in there because we have no other place to put it. So when you get your truck, it comes with this giant hole. Things pile up. There's no organization there. It's just a hole. So I found this 3-compartment organizer. It has these non-slip pads in here. Nothing's gonna move around. When you're taking turns, nothing's gonna move. But what's really cool about this thing is it's got this little slit right here. What's that little slit? So we got this charging cable that's built in here. Why do they put it in there? I don't know why. But don't worry about that, because we got that slit right there and we can just close this guy up and you're ready to go. So again, if you want to be organized, the link's in the description below. Get organized. For all you pet owners out there, if you got a dog like me, it sheds a lot. Now you don't want that in your Tacoma, like hair flying everywhere, getting it in the seats, because that's one of the things that's hardest to get out is dog hair. That's why you got to get a canopy. This thing is so easy to install and it literally catches everything. But I'll tell you a little bit more about that after I get it installed. So let's get it installed. So we saw how easy that is to install. You know, just the clips, you got your anchors, your seat anchors right there. And the cool thing is, this is not gonna go anywhere. It's made of this like material that's not gonna slip around. Also, we got leashes, we got toys. Put them in here. They're gonna be safe. And if you guys want, there's a mesh that comes with this so you can unzip it. That way the airflow from the AC can hit your dog. Your dog's never gonna be hot. I have a bigger dog, so that's why I keep it like this. I don't want that mesh getting destroyed. But the beauty about that, you just strap it up. No dog's gonna scratch this, get hair anywhere. If there's hair in here, just throw it in the washing machine and you're good to go. If you want this, I highly suggest it. Go down to the description, it's all there. Get yourself one and go on the road. If you're like me, you got a big water bottle and they don't fit anywhere in any car. That's why I got this guy. Cool thing about this is that while you're spinning it, while it's in there, it retracts out. So no matter how big, how small your cup holders are, you're gonna have that nice tight fit to it. And as well as a cool feature to that, if you're having a coffee in the morning, it's got this slit right here, so you can put your mug and the handle sticks right there. Easy access, you're not putting it on top of your cup holder. You take a turn, it slides over, falls over. And this is how easy it is to install. Turn it, plop it, let's go. Links in the description. So our next product is this trash can right here. Now what's really cool about this, it's not only a trash can, But the inside, if you see it, it's actually like a lunchbox material, and that's what it's there for. Is if you're not using it as trash, you can store food in there while you're driving. Say you're going on a road trip, keep your stuff cold. Why not? And then after, put it in the trash can. After this is full, take this out, just unclip it right here, pull it out, and then it also has this front pocket where you store all the bags in, so you can just pull it out, put it in, and you're good to go. So stop being dirty in your car, go down to the description, get this trash can, and start being clean. When I first got my Tacoma, I really wish I got these door sills, because if you could see right here, it is just scratched to shit. And that's just from your feet going up and down off of it, scraping against it. And so we got these nice door sills that look like carbon fiber, but it's actually carbon fiber vinyl. It feels like carbon fiber, but it really isn't. And that's why it's so flexible, it's easy, and it just sits in just like that. Comes with an adhesive that you push down on it, and you're good to go. It's not going anywhere, guys. Enough talking about it, let's just install one so you can see how it's installed. And just like that, there's no air pockets. You saw it was kind of hard to put in to get the right place, but it's not too sticky that you, like, once you put it down, you can't get it back up. So it's very easy to work with. I like it a lot. Hopefully, you know, I know that I did my research. It's going to hold up. And if you want one, it's in the description below. Go copy one. Save your door sills. That way you don't get scratched up like I made the mistake of doing. And have a good ride. So another thing about keeping your car organized and clean is when you get your Tacoma, you just get this. This is what it looks like. One, it's not attractive. Two, you can already see there's little scrapes because this is just plastic. So that's why you guys need to get one of these. Now these come in a 19 set, so every little hole, every cubby, that way, no matter what crevice, no matter what hole you have, you're covered. And guess what? Beauty about these, you can take them out, clean them. They're really durable. They're scratch resistant. And best part about it is, it just plops in right there. And then you're good to go. The thing about cleaning, you don't get every inch, nook and cranny. And so it's really hard to get dirt out of places that you can't reach. That's why you got to get something like this. So it's this goo that you just slap in there, and it sucks everything up, and it smells pretty good. It smells like clean clothes. But literally, you just pull it out. It's like flubber, guys. You remember that? And so you just plop it in there, move it around, and just look at all that gunk it just got. Now, one of the hardest place, even if you got a vacuum, is your e-brake. Now, look how dirty that is. Guys, I don't like that at all. So, good thing about this, you just poke it in there. Look at that. So, get some goo. The link is in the description. Get those little nooks and crannies and stop having stuff like this. And guys, that is a wrap on this video. If you liked the video, please give me a like. And also, if you're thinking about getting a Tacoma or you already have one, subscribe to this channel because I will be putting more content out like this, showing you more accessories and even more mods. I don't know, this is my first video, so we'll see where this channel goes. But also, if you want any of the products that I showed you, the links are down below in the description. Also, accessories for Tacoma, I'll put their link down there so you can check out the website. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.